All right, so I'm gonna try to open her up and just kind of look at her for a little bit, and then I'll set her up later. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do everything tonight because I have to do my kid's hair, and that's gonna take a minute. But I will tell you this little story. So I got a text today saying that she was ready to be picked up, and I keep saying she, but I've been calling her Mac Daddy. So the Mac Daddy was ready to be picked up, and I went and picked her up out of the mall, and we have Apple Store in our mall. I live here in Tampa. I went and picked her up, and I couldn't park near the Apple Store because I promised my husband I would go pick us up some dinner, which is near the main entrance. So I parked near the main entrance and had to walk all the way to the Apple Store, pick up this. I was so happy, cheesing. I couldn't even film any content when I got in there. This is how I know like I'm struggling with content creation. I was so excited to get there to pick up this monstrosity. She's ginormous. And they don't even give you a bag. I'm like, I gotta carry this all the way through the mall. He's like, yeah, do you want me to get security to go with you? I'm like, no, that's okay. So I just walked really, really fast. So needless to say, by the time I went to pick up our food, I was already in a full-on sweat. And I wasn't expecting to go out today. So I look like a cross between homeless and maybe like on the sick and shut-in list. So not in any kind of way to be seen, but I ventured out so that I could get the Mac Daddy. All right, let me stop talking so I can put
keyboard.
Alright, so
You just keep it in the pocket.
oh my gosh. Alright, so what do we have here? We have this keyboard. Okay. We also have cords.
More cords.
Oh. This is the computer itself and the plug for that.
The computer's so small.
And then this is the plug-in cord. And this is a little card about something. I don't know.
Is there a mouse?
Oh, there should be a mouse. Let's find the mouse. Right? Supposed to be a mouse in here. Is there a mouse?
It's probably in one of the boxes.
No, I don't see a mouse in here.
It's probably in the box. Did you look in the boxes?
No. Let me go search for a mouse. Okay, I found the mouse. It tried to escape. It was crawling on the floor. I'm just kidding. But look at this cute little mouse. Oh,
it's so cute. I bet you a cat will.
It's rose gold, guys. Oh my gosh. All right.
And this was a mystery box for nothing.
I'm going to take all this stuff away, and then we're just going to focus on the other things. Hold, please. All right, so a couple things that we have. We have a 24-inch screen.
Okay.
We have...
That's a big one, yeah?
Yes. We have the Bluetooth wireless keyboard.
Do it, Dada.
We have the mouse. We have the plug.
And of course we have the
and
computer.
And then this is the
itself.
computer itself, right?
When I saw it, I thought this, wow, that's such a small computer. We won't be able to type on it because it's so small. Probably might use this big computer for a little, big keyboard for a little mouse.
So I want to talk about the computer really quick, okay? So I opted to get a computer made because I did a little bit of research, and for what I'm trying to do with this, I needed to have more memory in order to be able to make videos and create content. So I opted to get a 16 gig RAM and a 252 storage, which is fine because if I need extra storage, I can always just buy an external hard drive. If I needed more RAM, I have to get the computer customized or whatever. So I went ahead and did that beforehand just so that I can prepare me and I can use this computer for years and years and years without having any issues. So I'm going to get it plugged in and set up. All right, so today we are actually going to unwrap and turn this computer on. I'm really excited. So first things first, we are going to unwrap her.
Okay, I was excited, but this is actually just casual.
So beautiful. And we have to turn her on. And I have the keyboard charging. And I haven't done anything with the mouse yet. I'm sure I have to charge that too. But let's follow the instructions here. Okay, I did that. Now, you guys know I've never had a Mac before. Any Apple products, honestly, aside from having like a iPod Nano and an iPod Shuffle like maybe 15 years ago. So this is very new to me. So I'm just going to follow along and see if it's as easy as people say it is.
They're saying like in all different languages. Hola. Bonjour. Hello. Yapun. I don't know. Hola. I don't know.
Ciao.
Ow. Ciao. Ow. What is Russian? Mahaba? I don't know. Okay, can you just hurry up, computer, please? Hey. Ding dong.
So many languages.
The poem. The Baradan. Hello. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. What? I already did that.
Did it do these already?
Yeah.
I think you have to wait for all of them to go through.
They already did this.
Oh, there we go. English.
I use the mouse.
I don't think the mouse is charged. It is.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
It's very sleek. Hard to see the on and off buttons. It's very nice. Let's do vision. Definitely want zoom.
So, can I show you how to zoom? Can I turn on speak selection?
No, I don't want to do that. Let's do a bigger pointer size. Yeah, that's good.
I think you can change the color. VIP.
Let's see.
Hello.
I like the dark screen.
Why don't you try both?
That's automatic. It changes when it wants to. But I like the dark. I use the dark screen at work. All right, let's try light for now. Let's just see. Just continue.
I don't know if you can change it.
Okay. All right. Gonna select our Wi-Fi network. And then we're gonna do the password. I'll have to figure out how to do this in a little bit. Because that's what I have. I have a PC that I need to... So while this is setting up, I just want to talk about the differences in the mouse that I used to use and the new, this new Apple mouse. This one is so flat. Like, I felt like my hand needed something underneath there. It just wasn't, it didn't feel comfortable on here. It felt like my hand was very loose. This one isn't as high as I still would like, but it still has better height than this one. It's not as flat. So I do like this one a little bit better already. All right, so I followed all the instructions for setting it up and logging in and doing that. And then this is my home screen.
The tablet.
It looks just like the tablet that my daughter uses. So this is pretty nice. The graphics though, like this screen is beautiful. I don't know if it's just beautiful because it's new and like I'm biased to think it's beautiful, or if it's because it's so much bigger and I can see it comfortably without my glasses on. I'm not really sure, but nonetheless, this is really, really pretty. The first thing I need to do, though, is I need to download Cricut Design Space, right? Because that's really the main reason for having this, is so I can do things for my business. So I am going to go to the Apple Store, and I'm going to download Cricut Design Space.
Oh, wow.
I don't know how to go down. How do I go down?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You literally mentioned that.
I didn't know you did that with your finger. Did you know that?
Yeah, I mentioned that in the beginning.
Oh my gosh.
The back's reveal of this drawer.
This is so awesome. All right, so now I got to figure out which one is the actual Cricut. So I'll do all these things, and I'll get set up, and then I'll start making some stuff, and I'll bring you guys along. So this is exciting. This is definitely a learning curve for me. Yeah, so I'll get started, and I'll report back soon. Bye, guys.